Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get these event badges on the 99 Nights in the Forest game in Roblox. So there's this one, you'll need to build 50 structures. For the second one, you'll need to get 50 pelt drops. For the third one, you need to cook 50 crockpot station dishes, and then for the last one, you'll need to kill 50 enemies near a teammate. For the first one, you can get 5 diamonds and 3 blue flame. For the second one, bearskin rug furniture and 5 diamonds. For the third one, times 3 blue flame and 5 diamonds. And then for the last one, you get a restaurant table furniture and 5 diamonds, besides the badge. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.